Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook mobile app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now open your menu. Now scroll down. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. Here you can see more in Account Center. Click on this. Now select your profile. Here you can see the option of name. Press on this. So, if you want to change your name on your Facebook mobile, you just have to set the new name. You just have to clear the old name and set the new name. Now press on Review Change. That's it. So this is how to change your name on Facebook mobile app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.